Getting Roblox Error Code 610. Here's a quick fix guide. First, check Roblox servers. Sometimes the issue is on their end, not yours. Visit the Roblox status page or social media to confirm if the servers are down. Step 2. Refresh your login session. Log out of Roblox, clear your browser cache or app data, then log back in. Step 3. Switch platforms. If you're on browser, try the Roblox desktop app or vice versa. This often bypasses the error. Step 4. Reset your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a different network like mobile hotspot to rule out connectivity problems. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy if you're using one, since Roblox can block unstable connections. And as a last resort, reinstall Roblox. On Windows, uninstall from settings and download the latest version from the Roblox website. On mobile, delete and reinstall from your app store. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.